back to my channel. My name is Vaibhavi Thakur and he is my Google guy. So in today's video, we are going to answer some of the most asked questions on my channel.
Are you finally happy now after revealing my face?
Each and every one watching this video wanted to see your face badly. So I thought we'll address all of the most requested questions on my page. सबसे पहला जो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जानना चाहते हैं तेरे बारे में, हमारे बारे में actually, is how and where did you two meet?
So actually guys, I met her through an app. I was the one who texted hi first.
Yeah.
And then reply आया सामने से, then we started talking.
Yeah.
Then I think पहले ही दिन में we had already exchanged numbers.
Yeah.
And continuous बातें होती रही. I think we were talking for like the entire day.
He is very good at picking up hints, guys. Trust me, लड़कों को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं होता है कौन सी जगह पे लेके जाना है, how to initiate a conversation with a girl, but he was very smooth with his words.
The fun part is कि that's the only time I've ever been late. Along with her.
Yes.
उसके बाद से and I still get to hear that कि यार you were late
He
on
was
the first
30
day.
minutes late for the first date.
15 minutes.
30.
15 minutes.
30. Does he actually work in the physical Google office?
तो अगर आप Google ऑफिस आओगे then शायद मैं आपको मिल जाऊंगा वहाँ पे.
What was your first impression of each other? I thought he must be a very quiet, introverted, boring and broken person actually.
But then I was doing a lot of talking. It's not like I wasn't initiating conversations.
Of course, they asked the first impression, babe.
This is when she is low in terms of energy. This is my maximum, which I can display. She was quite to the point, succinct in her words. A very good energy reciprocating from her side as well. I felt as interested as I was, she was as well. Like our wavelengths really match.
Were you not intimidated by me?
No, I don't think so.
He's lying, guys.
No, I wasn't.
He was shitting his pants.
No, absolutely not. That was the first time I was ever late to some date.
So I'm gonna take the revenge every day of my life now.
That was my first and last mistake. And I have been repaying that ever since.
Yes. And I'm not done yet.
Yes, every time guys, 30 minutes.
Shut up.
Bare minimum. That's the threshold.
इसके बाद तेरे को मिलना है मेरे से. What are your respective ages and what is the age difference between you two? I am 28, he is 29. We have like almost a half a year ka difference. What is his favorite food?
There is a place that I have eaten before. That I've eaten before from. So, I didn't eat the place. So usually I try to stick to what I have tried from that place. All-time favorite food would be रेशमी चिकन बटर मसाला. I think that is कहीं पर कुछ अच्छे suggestions मिले तो काइंडली कमेंट गाइस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मुझे अभी तक मिला नहीं है. रेशमी चिकन बटर मसाला.
How did Google guy get a job in Google? 1 month long interview process. Then they get back to you. He's done his MBA.
But I can just tell you that I actually never applied to Google. It's a very fun story for another time.
Yeah. What qualities of Google guy do you like? Will Google guy propose you? Is he from Odisha? And for him, what qualities of her do you like? I like that he's very consistent, very hardworking, very funny, and उसको ना बहुत clarity है चीजों के बारे में. Okay, I should stop. We should listen from him first.
She is quite mature actually. Like,
Okay.
if you talk to her, like she knows the nuances of life. So she is actually in real life very sweet, very caring, very loving, who understands sacrifice and puts others in front of her, irrespective of whether the times are tough or the times are happy. She is always there, and I think she is my biggest cheerleader.
Yeah.
So yeah, she is always there to support me in whatever journey that I plan to do.
And are you from Odisha?
Yes.
पर तुमको ओडिया बोलनी आती है ना?
Yes, I can speak Odia.
कुछ बोल के बोलो ऑडियंस को.
मुँह तुमको भला पाए.
What is the one habit that we dislike about each other? I dislike his complacency at times. He's very chill, like a little too chill sometimes.
Life is too short to be taken seriously. एक ही जिंदगी यार, जी लेता है.
अरे वो बात नहीं यार, जियो तुम, बट आई फील कि कुछ चीजें बहुत ज्यादा लेट बैक तरीके से होती है.
आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसों, इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है जब जीना है बरसों.
What is a weird habit that you know about me and I know about you? You go first now. I won't. See guys, complacency. A little demo for you all.
चम्मच से हर खाना खाती है.
What?
एक बार बिरयानी भी खा रहे थे चम्मच से.
तो बिरयानी चम्मच से खाई जाती है गाइस.
चिकन बिरयानी के पीसेस चम्मच से नहीं खाने चाहिए.
चिकन बिरयानी नहीं खानी
I've
चाहिए.
seen her eat like this. एक रोटी का लिया, चम्मच से डाल लिया, उसके अंदर डाला, then खाया. I have no clue कि इधर आप हाथ से खा लो या आप चम्मच से खा लो. What is this hybrid mode of eating?
From my first impression of his, उससे मुझे बिल्कुल लगा नहीं था कि ये romantic type का बंदा होगा. Him being romantic is weird for me. We have a list of 10 questions which we have to answer really quickly, okay?
अच्छा,
Okay,
फटाफट.
fine. Yes. Who replies late more often? Him.
I think it's me. Yeah.
Who eats more food?
It's me.
Him. Who gets angry first and who calms down first?
Angry first, calms down.
Yeah. Who is more romantic in real life?
I would agree.
Yeah. Who is more mischievous? Who says sorry first after a fight?
Me.
Yeah.
That's the
गलती है।
golden rule. Never forget, boys. Never forget.
अरे बट गलती वो करेगा तो सॉरी वो ही बोलेगा ना.
जब गलती इसका भी होता है आई से सॉरी. जब गलती मेरी है ऑफ कोर्स आई से सॉरी.
Say sorry for this.
सॉरी.
Who takes more selfies and who poses more? Of course, me, guys. It's my present bacha.
Before meeting her, the last photo that I took of myself was 4 years ago.
Who loves shopping more? Me. Who is the brain and who's the beauty in the relationship? I'm beauty with brains, guys.
I'm just brains, as evident.
He's also a very beautiful boy. Who sleeps more? Him. Him.
I love sleeping.
He
There is
sleeps a lot, guys. I hate that about him.
In terms of love ranking, sleeping is second, eating is third.
What is first? Aww. How many kids do you want?
Cricket team, bhai.
Dimple Jain has asked a series of brilliant questions, I must say. What is the most spontaneous thing you've ever done with each other? We have arranged our parents' meeting. That was quite spontaneous.
That is true.
Yeah. What is your favorite date night idea?
She knows.
I guess watching movies?
Watching movies together.
Yeah, horror movies. We love horror movies.
True.
What is the one thing that you're obsessed with in each other?
You? कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे इतना कुछ को भाई?
I'm obsessed with you.
हाँ वो तो मैंने भी बोला ना.
That's true. If you could travel anywhere together, where would you go?
Greece.
We would go anywhere together.
हाँ. But the number one destination is Greece.
Yes. What's your go-to karaoke song as a duo? This is the question that made me stop. Yeah, you may find this very funny, but we actually listen to Aadat by Atif Aslam a lot,
Yes.
and we sing to it. एक line गा के दिखाओ.
Subscribers.
Okay, next question. What is the best advice you've received about relationship?
I think I've given many but not received.
Yeah, same. I think we've been therapists to people.
Don't try to think a lot. A leap of faith in the end. Don't fear rejection. Like rejection is a part of life.
You should always stay with the person that you respect the most and don't force love. I mean, I think respect should precede love.
Love is what starts a relationship, but respect is the fuel that you need to go far away with.
Rapid Fire by Vikas. Morning person or night owl? Night owl.
Sleep early, wake up late.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee. Yeah. Sweet or savory breakfast? Savory. Stay in or go out? Stay in. Sunrise or sunset? Sunset. क्योंकि कोई सुबह उठता नहीं है sunrise देखने के लिए, guys. Texting or talking on phone?
Talking on.
Yeah, I'm actually a person who likes to keep in touch with the
Yeah.
people I want to keep in touch with. Road trip or plane ride? Plane ride.
Plane ride. No
रोड ट्रिप से हम दोनों को नॉजिया फील होता है बहुत ज्यादा.
Correct.
You two are so cute. Thank you so much. What matters the most to you in a relationship?
Respect.
What is the most annoying thing that you hate about each other? I don't find anything annoying in him. Like I don't find any one thing annoying in him. There are many.
There are many. There's a list.
What is the one small thing the other partner does that makes you feel loved the most? I think the fact that he remembers every small detail.
I don't need to ask her to do anything. She just automatically understands, and before even me asking, that thing is already done.
What feature do you like the most about Vaibhavi?
Her smile.
Yeah. I like his eyes a lot. Okay, the last question, and this is actually asked by so many of you. When are you guys planning to get married?
बस कल सबको अभी इनवाइट भेज देंगे. बिल्कुल आप सब आना. कल ही कर लेते हैं.
But in all honesty, guys, जब भी होगा, you guys would know. We are not
Yeah.
gonna hide it from you. Did you like this?
It
sit
was
and talk
quite
wala
fun.
video?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think a lot of questions, and we have answered it to our utmost capabilities. And I don't think there was any script or anything. This is just pure us.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's not like we had preempted. She was reading directly from the
Comment
comments
section.
itself.
Even though you may not find him as animated as I am, guys, in every video, but truly he is very excited to do this
True.
with me, and
As
he
I said,
gets
her low, my high of display of emotions. So that's there.
literally 1 घंटे से बैठे हैं, but आपको काफी कम सेक्शन देखने को मिला होगा.
Yes.
Bye bye.
So bye bye.